What did the Victorians do for fun? In Victorian times, people enjoyed some of the hobbies we have today. In large towns, people loved watching performances at music halls and theatres, which were not only popular but also cheap. At home, hobbies included playing musical instruments and singing songs around the piano. Then, when the gramophone was invented, they spent their time playing records. They also liked reading newspapers, magazines, and comics. As the time went on, their choice of hobbies also changed. Victorians began to take short day trips, which was easy to do thanks to the new railway system. They went for walks along the seafront, on boat trips and swimming in the sea. Of course, during that time, they didn't want people to see them in their bathing suits, so they got changed in wooden huts that they wheeled into the sea. Men in the Victorian era enjoyed playing and watching cricket, rugby and lacrosse. Cycling was also a popular hobby. Do you have any of the same hobbies as Victorians? How have hobbies changed since then?